What's going on, everyone? Jay here from Dukie Reacts, and I have a request for this Wednesday. Thank you, Gaming Freaks. He wants me to react to Mario's Boat Trip. SMG4 is the channel, which has 1.3 million subscribers, and I love doing videos like this because I get to see channels that I haven't heard of and that other people like, obviously, and watch, and it's got a lot of positive like to dislike, so it must be pretty good. And we're just gonna check it out. Retarded 64 Mario's Boat Trip. So I'll leave a link in the description to this video. Check out SMG4's channel, and here we go. With your boy. Okay. No, don't know what to expect from this, so I don't want to go by boat. I'm not gonna read all the subtitles, so.
Ooh, let's try again, okay?
I like there's two different animations. That's cool. That's pretty good. I don't see how people do this stuff. See, look at all the weird animation stuff. It's so cool to see how they... Like, how do you do this? Because I'm on a... Gross.
Hey, Stinky! He's a funny... Mamma mia! Hello! Little toadies!
Slap my ass.
Oh! No! Oh! Wow!
I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. Now, if I give a shit, I might just give a fuck, but I don't give a shit, so I don't give a...
What is that voice from? I've heard that voice before. Uh-oh.
Oh, shit!
Oh, geez, I'm too seasick. I can't take this. You gotta throw up somewhere? Maybe some candy will make you lose my sickness. Yeah, sure, that's... SpongeBob! How'd you get here? Oh, he just launched that fucking boat. Vagina-faced toad. Toad ate sugar. Wow! Sick burnouts. Yeah. It's gross. He's all tuckered out from the sugar high.
Whoa!
Oh, shit.
I got it!
Yeah, but the pato, he just... That's how I give CPR. He just... CPR with his dick. That's a big mustache, Mario. And you get to drive the boat.
I now know what I have to do. My people need a hero.
There's a lot of time and effort that went into this. That's crazy. Just to make something so weird. Just the weirdest thing.
Oh, yeah!
Ooh. What you gonna do, Mario?
Fucking
Some cool sound bites in here. Fix it. So is there two Marios?
get that motherfucker.
Throw him overboard. They're just running into each other. Oh, it's dark on the ocean.
Ooh.
Well, that's like my worst nightmare.
Hungry. Have you got any food?
No, unless we have any bait. Munch Toad's mushroom head.
I'ma guess I'ma go fishing.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Come fishing.
Isn't it fucked up that Mario eats mushrooms like, and Toad's head is like a mushroom?
You done fucked up now!
You slap fights. Uh-oh.
Oh shit!
The random pirate boat just blasting them. Huh? What's that? What's going on? Oh,
Oh boy.
they're getting
They make me
cooked.
so happy. My nigga, you just got roasted.
Shy Guy pirates. No, I don't want to be there now. We need something. We need to do something.
Okie dokie. La la la.
The phone.
La la la.
He's just reaching up there with his head.
La 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 la.
Eat the sandwich.
Hey, hey, hey! Can I sing a song for you?
If you love me, let me go! Shut the fuck up!
Okie dokie.
Alright, I got a better plan. Got it. So the blue one is SMG4. I'm just now looking at it the correct way.
What? My broken senses are tingling! My friends!
And he has his adventures with Mario. I don't even know what this... I know I've seen this guy
Time to go save my friends!
in the Mario
Okay,
games,
let's
but
go.
I don't even know what he's called or what he
Oh
does.
dear. I don't want to go over the speed limit though. I hope my friends are okay.
They getting torched. Boopkin's cave.
Oh no, dear. I'm never gonna make it at this rate. Oh, I got a good idea. I'll use my Boopkin sonar. Calling all Boopkin friends. My pals are in danger. Can you stop playing poker, please? I really need your help.
It's like a SpongeBob fish going.
Nope.
There it is.
I'm here. Okay. What's happening?
Oh no!
Oh,
They're already
okay,
roasted.
Can I have some? No! I'll have you know, I know fishy kung fu! Take some of this and
Fine.
some of that! You're gonna die! You're gonna get this!
Bitch slapped.
Daddy!
Octodad, but with a weird face.
Can you do something? How you doing?
Jesus Christ. Look at that perspective. It's cool.
Oh, hey guys, what's up? Where are you going?
Popcorn, nasitato para poter na foto che sa d'ora
Didn't he see?
Va bene, sotto tu rimette bata na prosciutto, dai.
Hey, motherfucker! Oh, did you see? I always wanted to go there. Dad, can I go? Can I go, please?
Sure, fuck off.
Mamma mia. Whoa! Yippee! Wahoo! Yeah!
Yay, we're here!
We did it. Yep. Alright. So that's that. Very creative. Very weird. But very well done for what it is. A lot of time and effort put into this. I'm sure. Great job. Not so sure if it's really my thing. I mean, it's entertaining enough, and I can see why people really like it. But I don't know. It's maybe a little bit too strange for my taste, or not strange enough. It's strange but not strange enough, or something like that. But pretty entertaining nonetheless. So I guess that's it. I don't really have any other thoughts. Yeah. So thanks again, Gaming Freaks, for suggesting this video. Like if you enjoyed, leave a comment, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you next time.